Today, I am going to cover how to use a new affiliate manager. If you want to promote any services or product by third parties, you can use Go High Level Affiliate Manager. First, go to Go High Level account, then go to sub account and click marketing link. You can see the marketing page. There you can see the affiliate manager menu. Under affiliate manager menu, campaign submenu will be there. You can create a campaign using this link. Campaign means you can give flat or percentage of amount to the person who is promoting your products or services. By clicking add button, you can create a campaign. Here you can fill the fields with the relevant information. Here you can fill campaign name, then select referral link, then commission type, and enter product description. Then select payment terms, and commission type, percentage or flat. Here I am selecting percentage. Then second tier commission type. This thing, this field, no, this information you can set according to your needs. Then select affiliate welcome email template. And change the cookie life as per your requirement. Here by default is 365 days. Then click create campaign button. It will create a new campaign. Here you can see the new campaign you created. Once the campaign creation is done, and then click affiliate link. Here you can create a new affiliate by clicking add button and click new affiliate link. It will show the add new affiliate form. Just fill email, and first name, and company name, the assigned to the campaign. If you want to add more details, just click save and continue add more detail button. Your information will be stored and open a new form. Just fill all the details here. If you want to change the details here, you can change it. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. If you want to upload W8 form, W9 form here, you can upload it. Suppose if you want to add more detail, you can click advanced settings. Here you can see the referral IDs and link preview. Just click done button. Magic link generated successfully message will pop up. Here just copy the magic link and click the close button. Here you can see the new affiliate link, a new affiliate is created here. We can send that link to this person to promote your product. The promoter get paid according to the sales generated by the promoter get paid according to the sales generated via this affiliate link. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.